We're doing a challenge. Who can do the best Play-Doh creation in 2 minutes? Let's go. Just made it to Lesterville, Missouri, small school district here. And we have a lot of setting up to do still, but it's currently lunch hour, so we're actually gonna head to the cafeteria and get some lunch. Yo, I'm here with Jura. Jura, tell me something that makes you unique.
I'm good at basketball.
Basketball? Heck yeah, dude. It's awesome. I'd like to see you hoop sometime.
Oh, right here. Woo! See right here.
All right, hey Siri, set a timer for 2 minutes. All right, we're doing a challenge. Who can do the best Play-Doh creation in 2 minutes? Let's go. Oh, there's a timer. Stop. Put your hands down.
Oh no.
All right, teacher, you can go around the table and choose your favorite. So that's our winner. I'm here with the winner of our Play-Doh challenge, and she gets a free poster for winning. So put it here. Good work. Awesome creation. And that is where we'll wrap up today's video. So be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Have a good day.
Go subscribe to Nextera!
Just kidding, we are back. Video's not over yet because I wanted to put a portion of this into the video as well. We are staying at this Bible camp here. It's called Day Spring Bible Camp in Ironton, Missouri. And this place is absolutely gorgeous. And the people here have been so kind to us to let us stay here, even cook food for us and use their electricity. So let's go. Life jackets, so we can be safe. Is this how you do it?
Tell me who I am, and listen.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is where we will end the video for real.
We love you guys.